Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the best waterproof baby bibs available in the market, the Baby Bibs Waterproof Toddler Bib. These bibs are designed to make feeding time a breeze while keeping your baby clean and comfortable. In this video, we'll dive into all the essential details about this fantastic product. The Baby Bibs Waterproof Toddler Bib is a game changer for parents. Let's take a closer look at its features. These waterproof smock bibs are designed to cover the entire chest area, ensuring your baby or toddler stays clean and mess-free during mealtime. The built-in crumb catcher and food storage pocket help catch food that misses your baby's mouth, preventing it from reaching the floor and keeping things tidy. The bib is made with a unique fabric, with the surface being 100% EVA and the back 100% cotton. This combination makes it lightweight, soft to wear, waterproof, and oil-proof. Cleaning is a breeze. You can simply wipe it clean under the sink between uses or toss it in the washing machine under a cold cycle and hang it to dry afterward. The bib features a strong adhesive strap along the neck area for easy wear and ensures a comfortable and secure fit for babies and toddlers. It's also BPA-free, phthalate-free, PVC-free, and lead-free, making it safe for your little one. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The Baby Bibs Waterproof Toddler Bib is available at a fantastic price of just $9.99, down from the typical price of $10.99, saving you $1. Before we go any further, please note that this product cannot be shipped to all locations. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into what makes these bibs stand out. These bibs consist of two layers: a plastic film that ensures perfect waterproofing, keeping your baby's clothes safe from food stains and odors, and a soft material that protects your baby's sensitive skin. The bibs come with two snap buttons that can fit a range of neck sizes, ensuring that they last as your baby grows. While the bibs primarily protect your baby's neck and chest from messes, they also have a deep pouch at the end to keep your baby's lap clean. These bibs are easy to clean. You can simply wipe them down, or if needed, toss them in the washing machine. However, remember not to use the dryer. Each bib has a name label, making it convenient to identify and organize. As your child embarks on their journey of discovering new foods, having the right gear can make all the difference. The Baby Bibs Waterproof Toddler Bib offers practicality and convenience for both you and your baby. In conclusion, the Baby Bibs Waterproof Toddler Bib is a must-have for any parent looking for a hassle-free feeding experience while keeping their baby clean and comfortable. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with this product, please leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.